Ngise ngingena la TikTok ngakhanza ividiyo yakhe wayibona mos. Ya dog ngize ngafika dog kuse hayi ngayithuna into yakho dog.
Yeah.
Awusho dog into eningi nje nawe nje ipoem usuqabangani usukufuna kwentani kahle kahle dog ayibona mos lento le.
Esikhatsini lesiningi nanga into ayinkondlo ngisuke kunekuthi ngifuna kuphilisa inhliziyo ekulimele nalabo akhule bahlukubeteke emindenini uthole ukuthi lo muntu ukhule umndeni then usinakeva lenkondlo eve ngathi iliphilisi lempilo yakhe like I want poems ukuthi kube itherapy ebantfu yabo like unakalalela inkondlo yami kungasi mina engedwa like noma ngakuthiwa yabani inkondlo nakayiva eve ukuthi nangabe ulalela inkondlo usukukhethe likhambi lekutiphilisa enhlitweni nasengcondweni ngoba lesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi nalalela inkondlo ukhanza ukuthi umoya wakho noma kuthiwa uphakeme kwane uyehla ngenxa lamagama laqonze nengcono inhlitiyo yakho.
Ayisho ukuthi nami sento wakhe inkondlo ngesibekele music dog.
Ufuna khaya hayi ungahaya like la kule nkondlo kumuke leyo ke wonke umuntu kude nje lokuthiya ukhethelekile ukuthi wena ungenta ini ngibekise nje ngebahlabeleli yabo sibahlabeleli kunebahlabeleli be hip hop kunebahlabeleli be bogcomu bonang bo house mabona ngomapiano bo deep house into leti kanjalo kufana la inkondlweni ke la inkondlweni uthola ukuthi ke kunenkondlo bonkondlo mzangedwa bonkondlo mlandvo mhlambe uthola ukuthi ke kuna le nkondlo ke angade ukusingachaza kanjani divele timbanza kanye yonke lendvo yabo khanze ukuthi lento ichazela ngemlandvo at the same time iphinze ikufaka esimeni sekuthi ube buhlungu ndathi iphinze ifake bomzwangedwa so kulesinye isikhathi uyithola ukuthi lo muntu nakasho lenkondlo uyisho usesimeni lesibhlungu ngibekuse nje inkondlo lengayibhala lethi bulungiswa benhlihliyo lapho I was talking about umfombatane lebeyithi njalo ngibe esikolweni ihlukubedwe umalume ende konke la kuthanza komalume emtimbeni walenfombatane so in that way lenkondlo leyo ngayithola kuyindlela ukuthi ngiphilise bantfu I don't know ukuthi bantfu bayilalela kanganani bayati kanganani but lengisho ngako who's forever loyilalela lenkondlo yamphilisa. Yeah
manje nje awusho dog ngakhala nje nyalo nawungasho inkondlo
ngiwadependa lokuthi ngayisho kanjani lenkondlo X7 mina X7 esikhatsini lesiningi uthola ukuthi yabo nje nangivuka ekseni uthola ukuthi mood yami ayikho right then I tend to pray so smakathi can you bless this day make it a great day for me uthola ukuthi sometimes ngibhlungu because yabona na umuntu mina nje ngibekuse ngami mina ngikhuleka buhlungu like bengihlukubeteka like lokho angikake ngikuthathe ngifake enhlitweni but ngikuthethe lokho ilesson yempilo ngase ngitshela labanye ukuthi kuhlukubeteka mhlambe ku struggle empilweni akusiyo indlela ukuthi mhlambe wena ungakhala uthi mina ngikhule bangihlupha something like that but take that thing uyende iadvice kulabanye ukuthi noma uphila matima when you are struggling in life that doesn't mean it's over with your life into lokumele uyende kumele uphakamise masokisi ubone ukuthi nawo impilo sengifundise sifundo lokumele ngisithathe ngisifundise labanye ngibanike likhambi lempilo ya ngithathe kanjalo nje inkondlo ngize mina Sibu the Poet 24 ngikhetha kwenta inkondlo ngabona ukuthi okay it's not easy for me ukuthi ngakhuluma nebantu ngisho ngithi kuseyati kanje yabo ukuthi even nisho mama bengakhona ukukhuluma naye bobhuti bami bosisi bami so nga decide ukuthi okay indlela ukuthi ngikhulume lokula enhlitweni I must write a poem ngibhale inkondlo ngiyathi ukuthi ngale nkondlo lengibhalako one day khona lo usho ukuthi lo angibhalela kona kwangiphilisa inhlitiyo such that one day kunemlo wangicela ukuthi ngicela ungishela inkondlo esonveni then ngafike ngayisho mina bengibita ngaSibu the Poet base basibona no you must change your name to be Peace the Poet because when you healed inhlitiyo ngase mina no I'm Sibu the Poet I cannot give myself
24
yeah I'm Sibu the Poet 24 like the reason people will ask them bathathibuta ukuthi lo mchita athi I'm Sibu the Poet 24 ngatela 24 September you see 2004 so nangithatha lo 2 na 4 2004 ngithatha lo 24 September ngiyabona so ngahlangana 24 into nje lengathi crazy nyana vele yabo
shout out to the name dog shout out to the name Sbu the poet.
Yeah.
Like ngathi lisho ukuthini dog, it's your state name lo what create lanona noma it's your mother name, you see.
Oh, I can understand. Ligama le ngize ngifike nje ekutheni nginguSibu the poet. Libito lami mine leqala lelibhaliwe certificate-ini Mhlonipho, then leli lesibili Sibusiso. So ngasi nangibuka ngathi no. Mhlonipho ngeke akhona ukufitha like ngibhala ukuthi Mhlonipho the poet, no. Ngasi no, let me use my second name which is my nickname. Ngabhala ukuthi okay, since nginguSibusiso I must cut this thing, ngi-abbreviate ngithi Sibu the poet. The reason ngikhetha leli gama leli in most cases thola ukuthi kunabo like I'm going to give an example. There is this guy called Christian Mas.
Yes.
I'm Christian Mazia, but in the line there was no, I must cut my surname. But I'm Christian Mas. Same thing applies on me. I mean, I just cutted my name and abbreviate as no, I'm Smooth the Poet. I think that's all I can say about my stage name. Yeah.
Okay, nase singasho nje dog ukuthi empilweni yakho ufise dog unaso studies zakho dog. Cause phela bathi yabona artist itinwe kanjalo ivele tisha maginji bombo ba.
Mina ngikwami nje njengasonkondlo ebengifisa ukuthi ngibe ne studio sami. Leso studio sami angeke kurecordwe tingoma. Into le daw recordwa tingondlo. And wonke umuntu longisonkondlo I will make sure ukuthi uyarecorda noma kuthiwa imali ude. I will make sure ukuthi uyarecorda naye uyaduma uyatiwa. Lengicoka ngako ukuthi wonke umuntu lonelikhono lenkondlo kulo like kulobhlungu lenginabo ngenkondlo ngiva ngathi wonke umuntu lelikhono lenkondlo angatikhokhela ngephandle advete lebaleni. Like I even created a poetry corner on my WhatsApp group. Like I'm adding young poets, like rising poets. Ngifuna ukuthi bonke bosonkondlo nalaba sebancane nasebadzala sibe involved like blood brothers, sibe bobhuti bengathi nabo sisi bengathi. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe someone ngibekise nje is a poet who said a group in it's my birthday lamhla. Then I said, oh, I'm lucky to have someone like you. He was the poet. So I decided now angimshayela inkondlo. You can go on you can go to TikTok utayibona ubhale ukuthi Sibu the poet. That is the last poem I have posted on TikTok.
Okay, yeah, so sengibuke dog.
Yeah.
Sengibuke dog. Ngicabanga ukuthi neli data runish out yabo. Wow.
Yeah,
I'm proud of you.
yeah,
You see, like okay, asobatshele nje dog ukuthi wena uphuma ngakuphi ngoba ngikhanze nje mne somewhere yabo.
Mina
Wakangwane noma wase South Africa ithola le.
Oh, I can understand that. Okay, mina ngiwaseswatini like now since the king have changed this thing wathi akusasiswatini sekuthe kingdom eseswatini. Mina ngiseswatini. Ngiseswatini and I'm proud ukuthi ngiseswatini since leli live labokhokho omkhulu la kugcwele khona inhlonipho and ngichazwa ngilokuthi siyahloniphana la kuleli.
Njengegama lawo.
Yo, njengeligama lami ngiyabonga X7. Into ke le ngithanda ukuthi bantu ngibatise yona. Mina angihlali mhlambe bomanzini bomba abantu la kwathi khona ukuthi ya bantu bakhona ba trend. No, mina ngahlathi like inhlathi khulu. I'm going to give you an example. Kunelija la kahlathi. Lidumile lengumhlabeleli, that is last born. Umhlabelo mapiano usuka kahlathi eBeneza. You see, now I'm from Hlathi. Mina ke ngwaseNcangosini, kahlathi eNcangosini. There is a guy also wala Ncangosini. Mqinsori, he was named Mqinsori angathi nyalo sengibani because it's like now he has changed his name. Then there is this guy lo mhlabelo, you can check him on Facebook. Incwasimendele kaBaba and uhlabela maskandi. Oh, tinto leti kanjalo nje. Like we want to pick up this area like sifuna ukuthi lengzawo yethu ithuthuke ezincangosi. Kungasincangosi kuphela kube ngilohlathi wonke. Then we show out the world ukuthi Swaziland is something like we can light a light. Singakhanyise bomnyameni ngaleli velethu ngemakhono ethu. Since we all know ukuthi into incumbi emhlabeni wonke tisuke eAfrica. We are going to do it as Africans. Yeah, that's all.
Correct is but ngibonge bafo ukuthi ngithathe isikhathi sakho. Ngiyaqabanga ukuthi bosebhizana ufuna ucheck nabo